Transform your content into a powerful subscriber magnet with Beehiiv, the easiest way to launch your first professional newsletter. First things first, head over to Beehiiv.com and click that enticing Sign Up button. You'll need to create an account. Just enter your email address and choose a secure password. This is your gateway to building your audience. Once you're in, it's time to bring your newsletter to life. Look for the Create Publication option. This is where your newsletter's identity begins. Give your newsletter a name that pops and write a compelling description. This is your elevator pitch. Make it count. What will subscribers gain from reading your thoughts? Now for the fun part: design. Beehiiv offers a range of beautiful templates to get you started. Browse through them and pick one that best reflects your brand and content style. Click on your chosen template, and you'll enter the editor here. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to truly make it your own. Imagine your logo here, your brand colors there. Ready to share your stories? Start crafting your first post within the editor. Type out your engaging content, add eye-catching images, or embed links. Think about what your audience is eager to read. Once your masterpiece is ready, hit that Publish button. And don't forget to share your newsletter link everywhere to start growing that subscriber list. Your audience is waiting.